Well, I like this hairstyle because it's got a nice little updo. Something that's different, not something I would ever really usually do on myself, but it feels secure and it looks different and it's cute. It would be a nice updo for just about any occasion, I think. The other thing I like about this is that I've always been somebody who uses clips in my hair or hair ties, and this doesn't pinch or hurt the way my clips or hair ties do. And it's different and nice, and I'm curious to see what it'll look like when I take it down as well because of all of the twisting and curling. I'm wondering how it'll look once it's all down. Something that's different and nice.